There are two words, a secret weapon, if you will, that have the power to make women drawn to you like a magnet. These words aren't for the weak or the uncertain. They're for men who want to exude dominance, confidence, and control. Today, I'm going to reveal these two words to you. But understand this: with great power comes responsibility. These words are about creating attraction based on respect, strength, and undeniable masculine energy. Here's the thing most men get wrong. They think being nice or passive will get them what they want. They think pleasing a woman is the key to her heart. But let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a woman truly attracted to a man who bends over backward, seeking her approval? No. She's drawn to the man who knows what he wants. The man who leads the interaction, the man who speaks and moves with purpose. And that, my friend, is what these two words are all about. They command respect, they project confidence, and they make her feel safe in your dominance. Now, before we get to the words, I want you to imagine something for a second. Imagine you're at a party, and there's this woman who has everyone's attention. She's confident, beautiful, and every man is trying to get on her radar. Compliments, laughter, even competition. Guys are doing whatever they can to win her approval. But you're different. You're not in a rush. You don't need to be. You hang back, watching. You wait for the right moment. She notices you, intrigued by your calmness, your presence. Now, at this point, most men would start with flattery or try too hard to impress her. But not you. When she approaches, you say just one thing, and it changes everything. Want to know what you say? I'm going to tell you. But first, let's break down why most men never get to this point. They think attraction is about performance, trying to be the funniest, the best dressed, the most charming. But women aren't looking for a performance. They're looking for a man who can command a moment without trying too hard. That's where these words come in. Now, if you're still watching, it's because you're serious about taking control of the way you attract women. And that's exactly why these two words are so powerful. They put you in control of the interaction without coming off as needy or desperate. They create an instant connection, but it's not about manipulation. It's about leadership. So what are these words? I'm going to tell you, but I want you to understand how crucial timing is. It's not just about saying them. It's about how and when you use them. Used right, they shift the entire dynamic in your favor. But before I give them to you, let me paint a picture of how this works. Back to that party. You're talking to her now, and she's already noticed there's something different about you. You're not tripping over yourself to keep her attention. The conversation starts to flow, and she's testing you, maybe even pushing boundaries a little. That's when you drop the first word, and trust me, it's simple but effective. You say, "Closer." But why? Because it's direct, it's confident, and it shows her you're leading. You're not asking for permission. You're guiding the interaction, and women are naturally drawn to that kind of energy. It's not controlling, it's commanding. It tells her you know what you want, and you're confident enough to express it. Now let's say things get a little intense. She's excited, talking fast, maybe even testing how far she can push you. You stay calm, and here's where the second word comes in. You look her directly in the eyes, and you say, "Relax." That's the moment everything shifts. You're not telling her what to do. You're telling her you've got this. You're showing her that you're the kind of man who stays grounded no matter what. That's powerful. And what do women find more attractive than a man who is calm, collected, and in control of his emotions? Nothing. Now that you know the two words, let's talk about why they work so well. When you say closer, it It draws her into your world, showing her you're the one leading the interaction. And relax reassures her, telling her that you've got the situation handled and she can trust your calm, steady presence. These two words, when used together, create a powerful dynamic of attraction. It communicates that you're in control of the situation without having to assert dominance overtly. It's confident, direct, and incredibly masculine. Now, here's the key. It's all about how you deliver them. The power of these words lies in your tone, your timing, and your presence. You're not asking, you're guiding. You're not telling, you're reassuring. Women respond to this because it taps into something deep. The desire to be with a man who's confident enough to lead, but steady enough to create safety. So now you have the power. These aren't just words, they're tools. Tools that put you in control of your interactions and instantly shift the way women see you. But here's the thing. These words only work if you do. You've got to use them with the confidence you've built throughout this video. Now, I challenge you. Try these words. Next time you're with a woman, watch how quickly the dynamic changes. If you want more tools like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're only getting started. If you're serious about transforming the way you attract women, this is the place for you. So subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.